Hey guys, Tasha Marie here. Going to go through another Tech Thursday prompt for showing how to use the Bible app and do things in the Bible app that you may not know how to do. Today we're going to learn how to find friends in the Bible app. So as you go through here, as you can see, I'm open to the home page, and then you have the Bible, you have plans, discover, and more. Well, from the home page, I'm going to tap the three little lines and click on the word friends. As you can see here, I only have two friends in the Bible app, my husband and my aunt. And that's okay with me. Me and my husband read the Bible together a lot. But my aunt and I recently became friends on here, and so I'm going to show you how to do that. You can add friends by clicking add friends. You can connect your contacts in your phone with this button on the top. You can add your Facebook friends, or you can type in a name or email up here. Then also it's going to come up with people that you may know. And with those people, you can add them, and then they will have to accept your ad. Also, then you see this little red button down here. You can share your profile. And when you do that, it gives you a QR code so that you can send that to people and have them request to be your friend. I think there is one other way that we can find to get there. Let's see if I can find it. I'm back on the home page again, and then I clicked on my picture. And then you see here again where it says friends. You can click there, or up top here beside the numbers 148 and 61, there's a QR code looking thing. So that will also bring you to the QR code so that you can find friends. You can click on that friends and it takes you to the same place. So that's a couple of different ways that you can use the Bible app to go ahead and find friends. And like I said, once you click through here and click add friends, you have to click add friends before it brings up this page, people you may know, and then you can connect your contacts in your phone or friends on Facebook, or start typing someone's name. And then obviously when I clicked in there, then more people came up as well. I hope that is helpful for some of you. If you want to read your Bible with, say, a Bible study group or group of friends, right now, currently, I just read the Bible with my husband, and my aunt and I have been doing a couple of things in the Bible app together as well. And that is how you find friends in the Bible app. And if someone is not on the Bible app, you can certainly send them your QR code, and they can sign up to get their own account as well. I hope that was helpful, and I hope you have a blessed day.